Hey everybody, Miss Teacher here helping you on question number 9. It says, a net of a rectangular prism is shown. Find the surface area of the rectangular prism. Show your work. So you have a couple options for how you might do this. One option is to just show your work, draw the thing, and just show the area of all the separate little rectangles that are given, and then show that you're adding all that. So we might have this and this, we might call that the front and the back. And if we think about what are the dimensions of that, that's a 10 by 4, 10 by 4. So each of those would each be 40 because 10 times 4 is 40. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a 40 here and a 40 here. All right, and then, oops, it doesn't look very neat. And then we might have what we might call the top and the bottom, because remember we always have two congruent faces on rectangular prisms. So this would be, if this is 10, that means that this line is 10. And if this is 8, that means that this is 8. So that's a 10 by 8, which would be 80, right? 80. Now in your workspace, because you remember you have to type this up, you might show top 8 by 10, bottom 8 by 10, and that you have the 80s. All right, so then we might have what we call the right side and the left side. So that's this piece right here, which is a 4 by 8, which means that this piece is a 4 by 8, 4 by 8. Which of course would be 32 for each of those. So if we add up all of the faces, then we'll get the answer. Or another option is to commit. Let's have 10 be the length, 8 be the width, and 4 be the height, and substitute, write the formula down, and substitute the values into the formula. That's another way to show your work, because remember the work is worth more than the actual answer. You would do the 10 times 8, the 10 times 4, the 8 times 2. This is all the same values you have up here. All right, so you just have to finish that up if you're choosing this. So you have to pick how you're going to show your work. Either list out all the faces with the separate areas and show them all being added together, or write the formula down, put in the substitution, and then you have to simplify all the way down till you have that one number answer. All right, good luck finishing this up.